heard of a kilo yard?
Never in my life have I heard of a kilo yard. I can imagine what it is. I can imagine what it is.
1,000 yards. 1 yard times
1,000 American yards.
What a waste. This is all gonna be on 8.
What's a milli-yard, though? What's a milli-yard?
A Milli is a song by Young Thug.
No!
That's not Young Thug.
Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne.
How dare you? Let it be known. TJ
doesn't know rap.
I don't.
And the camera.
I don't. I don't. In my do-rag. Yeah. In my do-rag. They know who I am. Abel knows who I am. I listen to metal music and hard rock. And Taylor Swift. Girl is fire. That's where you get all your... Most of my NBC lines. Her lines are very kid-friendly, so I can say them around my little siblings. Siblings, you know.
I like that ball.
So I don't cuss in front of them.
It's a nice ball.
That's why it's bad.
Oh, yeah!
That's the ball.
It's the ball.
It's too sweaty.
Wait, who wants to play with that? I like that ball. That's my favorite ball.
Oh, that was a man now. That was crazy.
What about the blue? Like, oh yeah. But not that one.
No, I agree. Play Oppo.
I already hit all week, actually.
Yeah, you hit all week and then just aggravated today for no reason.
Well,
You were setting it,
I
it was
didn't
5.
know that I was.
This is pain.
Well, I didn't want you to.
Exactly.
Don't listen to him. I saw him last night. I haven't ever recorded.
Yeah, but
Nice.
last night.
You don't post your videos publicly though,
Yeah, I don't. Why would I?
so we can all see them.
I would pull up too fast and then I would have to cut my job.
No, you're just on the side.
There's no face.
But you're just on the side.
I'm just trying to turn script. It's nice to see all these. Yes.
We haven't been here in a
Last
while.
time you were here,
I know, forever.
I didn't know if they're new. What if you just been here?
I know. It's like, do you think these were all Riddler?
No idea.
No, maybe Mike is where he
I
is.
mean, Reggie's still here.
There's that one guy
What
that
about this team?
I don't know. Should I ask him?
I don't think so.
Ask him right now.
Yeah? Where?
Somewhere.
Graham. That's others.
Nashville. It was in Nashville. Before Nashville was open. Before Nashville.
Okay, you were doing on today.
I know. They thought.
Why were you
They
scrimmaging?
thought I was the partner of somebody. Like romantically. I don't like just one random. Like the guy that I was talking about that said the dude's gonna get upgraded. He came up to me because I was with Abel's girlfriend, and he was like, "Oh, which one is yours?" Because I was watching my Garage team, and I was like, "Oh, all of them." And then he looked at me kind of funny, but I was like, "I don't know."
That's the Terminator.
Yeah.
Like, oh, no, I'm not big.
I was like, yeah, all of them.
Entourage.
Wait. But then you said, so were they?
What? What's the question? What are you confused about?
He's gonna ask if you have baby oil.
Huh? What do you mean? He said, who are you here for? I was like, yeah, all of them. They're all fine.
But then.
Oh, how did it get corrected?
Yeah.
Because then he asked Abel's girlfriend, like, oh, well, like, who? Well, I guess he said, oh, that one's mine on that team. And then he asked Abel's girlfriend, like, which one is yours? And he was like, oh, Abel. And I was like, oh, that's what you meant. And I was like, oh, I'm just her friend. None of them are mine. I was like, okay, that makes more sense. I thought you were just very, very polished. I appreciate you being that open, but no. Good times, good times. Yeah, well, Brenda, oh, yeah.
Are they on the same team?
Who? Yes, no, I think
On the record,
This one is slanted. Look at it.
so.
That one's so perfect.
I'm not touching it. Last time I touched a camera, Frank got mad.
It's on full, right?
I know, I turned it around.
This is global warming.
No, not just
and
that.
then you made it ultra wide. And I was like, why would you have to make this ultra wide?
So you can see.
Yeah, and then you can't see shit on the screen because everyone's tiny.
Well,
And then
scroll
you
in.
get 80% floor.
Zoom in.
Doesn't matter. You just put it
Wait,
in
you
AI.
zoom and it's regular.
You just put it into ball times on AI.
Dude, no, I'm trying to put that in my app. TG volleyball. I'm working on it now.
TJ.
Well, yeah, I just mark everything as TG when I'm working on it. Yeah. Not in the professional world. In our world, yeah. So the volleyball crowd would not understand.
We have you on Facebook. But no one knows.
But no one knows the audience. Yeah, no, but no one knows me there. That? I don't know. I feel like I was pushing myself.
So is it available for download?
No.
It's iOS only.
No. Oh, yeah. For now.
That's the worst.
Okay. Well, I
Worst kind of
gotta.
development.
Okay. Well, I gotta get it right once and then put it up somewhere else. And it's really hard. 'Cause I'm trying to get all of the. I'm trying to save like rallies and sets and games and like player stats, but I need to save them in the correct order. But I also am trying to enable you to rearrange the order you want.
Wait, why do you have the second UI?
So that way it can track your progress over X number of games.
What? So I don't understand. Isn't it really?
What do you mean?
Isn't that like kind of
To track?
coordinate? Like you record it?
Oh, like write it down while you're watching it?
Well, that's what your app is, right? No.
Well, no, the MVP, like the first version, 1.0 is you inputting it while watching the video.
But then why is it AI?
It's not, no, it's not yet.
Oh.
2.0 is the idea that I'd be able to have a camera and then like using Vision OS and like Reality Kit and like Core ML and all that fun stuff on Apple, on iOS to track those stats.
Wait, that's a base on iOS.
What do you mean?
Learning?
Yes. Well, it depends on the
They don't have a test. What do they have on Apple?
attention.
AI. They have one?
Oh, yes, they have
M1 chip? M1 chip? What chip do they have? iPhone?
It's the iPhone one, but it's only iPhone. iPhone, I think 15 and up. Also have the chip that can do it, and then you can only do it on a Mac if you have a silicon-based chip. You can't like use Intel. Yes, but they do have like a base machine learning AI, but it's not nearly as strong as like Claude or Gemini or anything. So what people will do is maybe have like some smaller level context questions just on the actual device. But if you get more then they'll also go to like Claude API or something like that. But that's the goal for now.
So when is it going to be released?
I need to. Where's your Kickstarter? I need to I have the local storage now. I need to finish fixing how the graph shows your progress over time. Right now it's all like messed up for some reason. So I need to fix that. And then I need to figure out how I'm gonna do the ordering. But I talked with one of my coworkers. Yes, but what if you make a mistake? How?
Go back.
Go back to what?
Fix points.
And then do what?
Fix it.
Right, you edit. Yeah. Well, when you I guess it was the idea if you swapped two, right? So like for instance. Oh yeah, I gotta fix that. Here. If I wanted to say, oh, Mitchell didn't pass that, TJ passed. So I wanted to switch these two, the order. Now, the order, like it was 1, 2, 3, but now it's 1, 2, 3. And so I would have to then go through and like update this guy and then everything after. And that's over in operation. And so that just seemed like a lot of extra, unnecessary work. And so I was trying to find ways to do it faster, like inline or.
Why do you have to change everything? The only thing that changes is the order of the
Oh, no, I have to change everything after because whenever it gets stored locally, it is storing it in the correct order, but I might not load it in the correct order. So I'm storing like these three stats locally, right? So I stored it as TJ free ball error, Mitchell passed it, and then TJ free ball it over.
Okay.
Stored it locally. Now I'm trying to fetch it locally from that same database, but it gives me Mitchell pass first, and then TJ free ball error, and then TJ pass. So when I fetch it, the order's off.
After you change
When I save it and when I fetch it, the order is off.
it. Yeah.
It's just how it's stored.
Why don't you just start timestamp? I don't know why. I don't understand. I still don't understand. Like, why is it like that? Why is it like it just had a? It doesn't need to be related to time.
It can't be.
Yeah, you have a double linked list. Like I don't understand how this is.
Yeah, that was the method I was thinking about using.
But also, I feel like it's not useful at all.
I agree. I feel like it's extra. It's extra and it's a lot of extra memory.
Also, I feel like it's like not even. That's like if you imagine you were storing it in Excel, or like even like a document.
Yeah.
Like if you wanted to swap two, just swap.
Right.
So I'm like, it has nothing to do with everything else. If you're just swapping two things, like that part is fine.
No, I agree. I think because I was trying to figure this problem out, and going like with all these different like databases, or like I guess like data science, like theory, like fractional indexing and all this other stuff. But I just talked about it with one of my old coworkers, and he was like, I think you're just way overcomplicating this. Even if your list is like 1,000 stats long,
Yeah.
going through and reordering everything is not going to take that much time on a phone, especially if it's just string data.
But also, if it was an interesting question, I mean, it's still like it doesn't matter. Like swapping two things in a Excel. It doesn't actually take
Not if it doesn't, if the order doesn't matter. But for these, the order matters.
Even if the order
No?
I
No! Core data doesn't have dictionaries. It's like old iOS. Like NS sets and like NS strings and all that stuff. It's primitive based stuff. It's crazy.
Dictionary is pretty primitive.
I agree, but not primitive enough. But not primitive enough.
Oh, but if you store a tuple, then a tuple's the same thing.
What would the tuple be?
You just have to reassemble.
That's the problem.
No, but at least you would know the order. The order is correct. Like you would fetch it, and then you would just sort it back as the
Right.
order being the. It doesn't matter what the order is after that.
No. You're saying, yeah, you fetch it and then you reorder it as it needs to be sorted. Right. But then the problem is you swap two values
But you would always
that
have
need to then be propagated.
No, but you would always need to, because it would come out of order, right?
Yes.
When you read from it, it has to be an operation anyway. Right? If you're telling me it's always going to be out of order, no matter what, it's going to be out of order.
No matter what.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. It's always an operation, right?
Yeah.
Or am I?
No. You're correct.
Yeah.
I was overcomplicating it, which is what my coworkers told me too.
Oh, okay, yeah. But
Yeah.
no, but I mean, like, if it's actually going to be out of order all the time, it doesn't matter what you do. It's just going to be out of order. It's just going to take an operation to sort it.
Exactly. And in operations, for like 500 things, it's not that much. Exactly. It'll be like, yeah. Or I don't know about log games.
I don't know.
I don't know about
Well, I don't know.
but it'd be faster though.
If you store it into a key factor, it should be fast.
Put it into a
Well, because
I mean, I could.
after you just make it out, and then it's like reading a stream.
Yes.
And then when you process a stream, it processes it. Well, it depends on where you're storing it after, I guess. It's like, that's like.
No, I agree, but I was overcomplicating it, A. And B, like you said, even if it is N operations for 1,000 objects.
Well, I mean, no, but I mean, like, if you're actually trying to make it faster, I mean, like, it's going to be N if you have to sort it back in. Like, or it doesn't have to be N. Like, I'm sure there's a faster. But couldn't Gemini have just told you this?
It tried.
And then what?
And gave me a bunch of like really bad things.
On this table. It's on this player that you were upset about. There's something